How to fix hologram effects issues in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have the two characters, and you can see this character's arms is different to another one. Yeah, how to fix it? And next, I will right click and select material, and I will change the name hologram. I open it, and the next things I'm gonna do change the blend mode to translucent. Hold down 3 and left click to create this node, and I will add 3 nail. Hold down M and click to create multiply. We connect to emissive color. And the next thing, I will change this color to a pink. And here we have this effect, and I will add the power and connect to this one, and I will change this value. And next, I will create another multiply. Hold down S and left click to create parameter, and change the name emissive strength, and we connect to this node, and I will change this value, and we need to drag this node to here. And the next thing, I will add another 3 nail. I connect to opacity, and hold down S and left click to create parameter, and I will change the name. I will change this value, and yeah, we have this effect now. Apply, and I open these characters. In the next, I will create material instant. I drag this material instant into this character, and here I will fix these issues. And next, I will type constant, and we make sure our characters is checked this one. And I open the material again, and here we type the constant, and we need to check this one. And I close this one. I will right click and type seams textures, and I select this one and type constant and select constant depth. And next, I will add the mask, and this mask we only check R, and I will add the substrate. We connect to this node, and I will add pixel depth. And next, I'm gonna do add node. And here, I will add another multiply. Hold down M and left click to create multiply, and connect to this node, and connect to opacity. Apply. And yeah, we have this effect now. Also, you can change this parameter. We check this parameter. Oh, I forgot to convert to this color, so I convert it. Apply. And we check this color. So you can change this value. You can change this color to here. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.